Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix this screen flickering in your Honor Magic V5. So, at first I'd recommend to adjust your brightness. Go to the settings, go straight to the display and brightness over here, and now you can adjust your brightness using this slider. So adjust brightness until you don't have this screen flickering. It should fix it. Apart from that, try disabling the adaptive brightness. This setting is over here. Disable the automatic brightness, just like that. Just pull the switch to the left so that it's gray. Apart from that, if you still have the flickering problems, go into Play Store, go into search, and in the search bar search for the screen dimmer. Now install this application. For example, we have this one. Tap install button and tap open. Tap consent. Here, as you can see, we have some advertisements, don't worry. This X is not working, this is not working, don't allow. Here we can enable the airplane mode so we don't get ads. And now we can easily adjust the brightness level over here, or manage the color temperature of our phone using these buttons. So try to reduce the screen flickering using these settings over here. This should fix the issue for you. Apart from that, you can go into the system settings, back again over here, and scroll down to system and updates. Go to software update and check if you have some updates. This issue may be that your developers has done something wrong and your phone may have the screen flickering by bug, software bug. As you can see here, I do have the update, which is downloaded. So just update your phone when it's possible. This should fix the issue, because maybe Honor has released the update and that fixes the issue, because something may be wrong, could be wrong by their side. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's really important to us. And yeah, goodbye.